Welcome back to the third part of our Pacific Health Talanoa with Lorenzo on Blue TV. Ilenea so lua, lea so tolu se fultasi, wa ukuso a lua fe, lua se fulmatasi, o le na ua fa fonga le tato wa tuno, e tato fa talanonga mua mua, e tamaita ia Melissa Lama, mai den iren, o ia lo tauna mua, i le fa ngā soloina lea, o le whainga o tui pui pui, i nai le tato malai ta alo, le Forsyth Bar Stadium i Dunedin. O na so mai le tātou mālo whaalongia lona lua. O le tamaita ia Dana Ray pila tu i polotu sa o tau whaafongai i le mātango fie fo lana ia tautua i to tonu o le whale mai the doctors in o ne hanga i le matawhai yoi o le health coach o ia leo lo soani pa penau na whaamala malama le tele o mata upu tau le soifua maloloina ina yo tātou tangata lo wa ngae tu foi i to tono na lato ko fale mai the doctors on the hanga by joining me right now on the show as a regular guest on our Pacific Health Talanoa. We will be sharing about some of the things, very simple things that we can do at home under level 4 lockdown to maintain our healthy lifestyle and to make sure that we're not going to stress out on on level 4 in the next 2 weeks, and some of her secrets, what is she currently doing to maintain, make sure that maintain the weight, the healthy eating, and all that sort of stuff. Talanoa, Susana.
Talanoa, Lorenzo. So great to be back on the show.
Yeah, thank you for coming on the show. I know that you went for your walk. Do you do that every day, or is it something new that you are sort of practicing during this level 4 lockdown?
Yep, since alert level 4, I have been, doing my daily walks. And it's, funny, before we even went into lockdown, I never had the opportunity to explore my own neighborhood. So, it's been a blessing in disguise, this lockdown. Yeah.
And do you feel safe going out, outside of your bubble?
Yeah, I feel safe. I feel reassured when I see everyone else, who are out stretching their legs, wearing a mask. So, I guess we're all complying to the rules of lockdown, which is good. Yeah.
And what are some of the challenges that you have faced, in the last couple of weeks on the level 4 lockdown?
Just not being able to see my family. And my friends in person. I really miss the in-person conversations and just getting together for a meal, all the simple things that you do when you reconnect with your loved ones in person, as well as work. It's so awesome that we have Zoom and the internet, being able to work from home, but I've always loved going into the office and just being able to do my work at my desk, and
just adding on to the great advice by the Minister of COVID-19, Chris Hipkins, to get outside and spread the legs. What would be another way to to make sure that we are keeping our health in a better, to improve our health and to make sure that we're looking after ourselves at home during the level 4 lockdown?
Yep. For me, I've gone back into reading. So I've just finished this book called "She Is Not Your Rehab" by Matt Brown, and it's such a beautiful book. There's a lot of stories, that he shares about his childhood. It's a lot of sad stories, but I think he touches on a lot of topics that us Pacific people are too afraid to speak about. So I've just finished that, and I'm looking to read another book. I've also taken up journaling. I used to do it as a kid, just write in my diary about what I did during the day, but it's different when you're an adult. You put more feelings, and you try to understand why you're feeling certain things. It's helped me a lot mentally. And also I've been engaging in daily conversations with my cousin who I live with. just making sure that we have that connection and that we're just checking in on each other because lockdown has its unique challenges.
And what would be your advice to some of especially our young people who are stuck at home under level 4 lockdown, not knowing what to do, not getting the right support, maybe sick of talking to the same and doing the same thing? What would be your advice for them? Susana?
Go for a walk, even if it's just like around the block. Just go for a walk. I guess get that fresh air.
TikTok.
Yeah, even TikTok. Right. Do something that get out of your comfort zone. And for me, that would be cooking. I mean, I've managed to whip up all sorts of recipes that I wouldn't have done last year. Like I've managed to cook shepherd's pie.
Wow.
The other night I made chop suey. And we made chocolate chip cookies. And tonight we're looking at making blueberry muffins.
Nice.
Hopefully that turns out nice.
And your advice for vaccination, what would you say to our young people about vaccination?
If you're worried about, the side effects, just please talk to someone that's professional, that's qualified in that field. There's nothing wrong with asking questions. But just make sure that you're getting the right information from the right people so that you can make informed decisions for yourself.
A comment from a massive fan of yours, Ryan Patumaka, and he says to clear the head. No need to stress out on a lot of things.
Exactly.
Clear your head. What a great advice from Ryan, eh?
Yeah.
Wow.
I totally vouch for that.
Thank you so much, Susana, for tuning in. I look forward to having you on Pacific Health Talanoa as my co-host when we return to level 3. Yeah, we return to level 3 or level 2 or level 1. So I look forward to having you as a co-host. But for now, thank you so much. God bless you, and God bless your whānau and your ainga.
Take care, everyone. Stay safe and be kind.
Spread the legs. Yeah. Was a full tolu minute. What's a inay tula fa. I le vaenga lona tolu le nei o tātou porkalame o le Pacific Health Talanoa ma Lorenzo e longa o le Blue TV o le fasili wa mai le nei o fiafi wa mai sa lua misa mre tamao le ainga wa falonga te tata mai ki ate oi wa le lava le tutongi ia o tūlanga o malava na o lea tātou te experiencing the time le nei level 4 ai te lo oe e le mafuna tu la fo ina tātou le I faola o Yesu Keriso ia le ngatai le o le tuo lo tātou au ona ma tapo ia au ngā fa le nei taimi. It's a great time for us to to reunite and get closer to our Heavenly Father. O te lo tātou ia le fatoa matan tai fai nei sau ninga ia manai lo tu level 4. But anyways, ole watu tato update nei mon level 4 ile nei aso tolo se full matasi o kuso lua se full matasi e survival la lor kaimi. Today is the last day of August. Wow, September, this Sunday is Father's Day. Obviously, there should be no excuse for all our mothers and the children for not having a mea lofa. Level 4 lockdown, there's a way. There's a way. If your heart is there is a way to do it. Or sa ili mangyalo fa mo to tama ya mi se fo ma ya lo wa tama. But level 4 update for day 14, the 31st of August, there are 49 new cases today in the community. All of these cases are in Auckland. Fa se fo malaiva ya la to fa ma nia mal changa luengo so mauai I fa mai o le COVID se fuluiva o ila to maia o lo wa mau mapapa au I nei I au kilani. There are 33 COVID-19 positive cases currently in hospital. 8 are in ICU. tolu se fulma tolu la to ia o tono mau tanga ngase po fa mai o lo faia ia tonga fitinga e to valu o le na tolu se fulu tolu ia o lo tonu i potu tinga ina po le ICU ona o tu nga po tinga ina tele le mau ai o la to i le fa mai o le COVID se fuluiva. Yesterday over 16,700 tests were processed across New Zealand. E se banga ia a ana nafi lava ia e se lia male se fulu ono afe fitu se laula fa inga o tangata sa faia la to test i to tonu o le atu no. And some of for the rest of the country tonight at 11:59 p.m. tonight, region south of Auckland will move to alert level 3. O pito nuu po vaenga uma o le atu nuu o pito ilalo au kilani. O le a se uma o tou i le vaenga tolu o sa ma vavao ma tapu o le wha ma i COVID se fuluiva. Congratulations ia o ma tau nei au kilani. We are in level 4 for another 2 weeks. Fato ato e peo laso se fulu tolu e o se tema e toe ilo ai ma review ai e le matanga luenga le soifua malolo ina ma le tatou whainga malo ia po whea anga i eisi a tatou a meo o le tala la tamaina o le tatou COVID se fuluiva ia mo le nei yaso ai whawhitai te le lava. Thank you so much for your support, for supporting Blue TV, for tuning in, for sending us messages, for mo le tau lango le aso ma le aso. Don't forget Blue TV podcast from 1 to 6:30. Ia e mai umatala lata mai i so se vahenga lava o lo tutupu e o lava fo'i i le tulanga leo le tau kuka i oe o le va o urunga li'i and everything to do with health. Ia whapea fo'i le sunga ia asiata with tau taidae tau mwhai au mai tala lata mai i mea o lo tutupu i sa moa male lalo langi atoa. Ia o tau mawhaingare nā tātou Blue TV. Halofa pele tātou wheloa i lea soa tae au ai tuli tatau mai. Tune in at 5 o'clock. Tune in at 5 o'clock i le entahia, the man himself, Asiata Pio Vauliko with the Tautai Iae Show podcast. Ia lofa tele mo e Samoa, manuia le fiafi, pasoi fua ia. Mwah.
Squad, baby. Rex, J. Sands.
Let's go.
Oh, say Martinez, say you are complete to me, Agelio. By the way that you move and the way that you smile. Say, oh my Dorima, baby, you be giving your hand, I'll take you anywhere. You give me something that I never had. Cause you care, but about to me and the family. Say, why you waiting on me to talk to you? Yeah, I'ma listen what y'all say. Yeah, don't move out in the come here. Yeah, they on the nail, to dirty wine, girl, dirty wine. Yeah, say, tama in and not the bite to get out. Say.